Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Dead.
Hiya.
So, a little bit random one today. We're still in Suncheon, second day, but we've come to something pretty random for us, and pretty random for like a tourist attraction, something that we've not seen or done ever really, I don't think. The only thing I can think of is the Black Country Museum in Birmingham, but I think that's more of a historic site than what
Harry Potter Studios?
Harry Potter Studios, yeah. This is the Open Film Set, and it's the largest open film set in Korea. It's where they film lots of...
all the ones behind you.
Yeah, all the ones behind me. I think Love and Ambition maybe is the one that kept popping up. And whenever they want to film TV shows or films set in the sort of the 60s, this is the place they always use. So it's quite famous and it's used in a lot of films. I'll give you a little shot of it now. There we go. This is it. This is the entrance. It's all going to change when we go in. I don't think there'll be anything recognisable to sort of anything post 1960s. Get yourself in that little booth.
Oh, you always know.
That's what they're here for. What is it? Is it like a TV station?
Testing.
That just came through?
No, it did.
No, it didn't. Go on, give us a little news production.
Good morning and welcome to Suncheon Open Film Set. Today we are going to be taking you around, giving you a little taste of the 1960s. I'm still feeling sick after last night's meal.
Alright. Okay, I don't know how much it is, but I can't imagine it's going to be like well expensive.
30,000.
Is it? Oh.
I think 3,000.
3,000? Yeah, 3,000.
And there they are. Two.
This is something that you probably should do before you come is check the price, but everything here in Korea has been pretty reasonable so far. So maybe we just assumed it'd be the same. Hopefully there's not like a big sign behind me that says no filming. But yeah, this is the little shot of the park. There we go. I feel bad for her and I'm just sort of stood here filming while she's struggling to pay. Try and get a little map.
Oh, it's in English.
Huh?
It's in English. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, it is. It's in
Is
English,
it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow, this is where we were just walking to.
Yeah, and we just turned around. Oh, there's a Squid Game thing. The girl.
Oh no.
Do a little bit of red light, green light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Dead. There's a Squid Game thing. There.
That's so cool. We've only watched it really recently as well.
Red light, green light.
Yeah.
She's just staring at you.
Yeah, I don't like it. I can't remember.
I'd love to know what was actually filmed here. Like, I don't think anything I personally would have watched, but if I'm a big fan of film, and if there was a place like this that I could go and visit for like films that I know, I'd be all over it. But this is so cool, even not knowing what films have been filmed here. I can just tell, I can picture the crew, the cameras.
But to be fair, they look quite similar now. But like, you've got your Magoli, cold noodles that we had last night.
Oh yeah. It's got the vibe, isn't it? It's got all of the people speaking. Yeah, it's like in the UK you've got Black Country Museum, and that's where Peaky Blinders uses as a on-filming location, and a few other things. But Black Country Museum is actually a historical place, where I don't know if this is. I think this has been created I think this was created in 2006. Yeah, so not that old.
No.
But
it's like all the kids using the skipping ropes and stuff.
Yeah, it's so cool. I don't know if this is like an open shop or like. Then you can see behind you've got all of the apartment buildings there, which said obviously have to be careful when they're filming not to get them in. What? An actual bit of real peacock. Where are you, Mr. Peacock?
Go on, give it a go. Don't hit anyone. Oh.
It's quite fun actually.
Oh.
Wanna go?
Got him.
Good one. Oh. Oh. That was good.
And they landed so perfectly next to us. Jason's found himself a barber shop.
You've got ye old Olaf.
Olaf. And then we've got a billiards hall just here.
It's so well done, isn't it?
It's amazing.
I think it's so hard to make something look old when it's new.
Yeah, it's so true.
These look like old kimchi pots. I'm not sure if that's even right or not, but maybe they're not. I just remember watching that program and they were making kimchi out of those odd pots. Oh, the market.
So maybe it is kimchi pot.
And what was it, £1.80 each,
Yeah.
so about $2 for any Americans watching.
It'd be cool if they still did street food here, like at the weekend.
Yeah. They still film here though.
Yeah.
When I was reading online, they said somebody came to visit and they were filming something on the day, and you could watch it. Cool little bridge. This is just sort of a nice hanging pork. Basically the amount of pork we had yesterday.
Actually is. No exaggeration.
This is just sort of where you just come to cross the bridge. In your 1960s Crocs. Ooh. There you go. That's my directing skills there. I've got into the swing of it. Swing shot. Down, round, zoom in. This town's really made me want to get into my directing that. Let's go into the railway bridge.
Something on the map that says old toilet and brackets fake.
I thought people might have been using it.
Just to make sure you know not to use it.
It's horrible for the staff at the end of the day when they're doing checks and see like a toilet vase full of shit. Here's the before mentioned fake toilets. I think they've made to look like there's poo in there though.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice. I mean, it doesn't look too different from the toilet I used in Laos at the Play of Showers.
Oh, there is doors on it.
Oh, is that where you wee? No.
Probably.
Wow. No, not outside, surely.
Yeah. I mean, this is in the 60s.
It's not that long ago. My parents were born in the 60s.
Yeah, and I bet if you ask them, they used to wee in an outdoor shed in the toilet. They had outdoor toilets. Did they not?
Yeah.
Should we go up here?
Yeah.
What's up here then? Love and Ambition.
Shantytown. The 70s Shantytown.
Ooh.
So all we've got to do in the bit that we've just been to is those little games
Yeah.
and the go-go dance hall.
Is that like go-go girls, like strippers? Like strippers. Go-go girl. I'll Google go-go girl and see what comes up. Alright, I'm gonna go and explore this shanty town. That's what it's called on the map. I feel a bit bad calling it that, but that's what it says. I don't know if this is to give you more of like a different view of different housing at the same time, between like, I don't know, different classes of people, but you can definitely notice a difference. Definitely is more like a shanty town, but it's still so cool to see. It was really steep to get up. Wow. Try not to fall. Hello. Wow. It's cool. Yeah. And this is a little view of it so far. And you've got the really old and slum where we are now. You've got the old bit here, and over there you've got the new, which I assume just gets green screened out, or I don't know, just used certain camera shots so it's not in. But had to really focus on not falling over there. It's quite steep and my flip-flops are quite sweaty. Yeah, Erin's doing a bit of droning. Maybe put a shot of that right now. Should we do one shot each? There she is, following me. Yeah, but this is so cool. Don't know, I've read this before coming here in the taxi on TripAdvisor. People like, don't come, it's this, it's boring. I know everyone's got their own different taste, but I think it's so cool. It's so different to anything I've seen before, or we've seen before on our travels. Why wouldn't you come here for especially £1.80 if you're in the area? I think maybe people were saying don't come specifically for this, like don't come to Suncheon, but there was Suncheon, it's got some really cool bars, restaurants, you've got this, you've got the reed fields, you've got natural beauty as well, surrounded by a lot of green, and then all of this down here. And it goes up as well, like they've got a replica of like washing and stuff being put out. I hope it is. I don't know if I'm just recording somebody's weekly laundry, but these stairs, yeah, that's definitely a replica. Yeah. But no, very glad we came here. Let's see what else it has to offer. I don't know where you can go, where you can't go, but everyone's getting a better view of it on the drone, so she doesn't have to walk up here. And I'm risking my life walking around here in these flip-flops. Wow, it just goes on and on. It looks smaller on the map, but I think this area is actually bigger. I think it's going to be crazy or really cool to see actual filming being done here. Although it's a replica built in 2006, it's really like lifelike. So actually using like film cameras and stuff down here, I imagine it's quite tough. Is it your first time here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wow.
It's really cool. Wow. There's a better view of down there. You can see all the way down there. That's like the newer town. Up here is like the shanty slash slum town area, but I think I prefer this bit up here. There's a lot more to see. Yeah, it's cool. See you later. Goodbye, goodbye.
Good day.
Good day. Yeah, there's a little bit more to explore up there, but I think it is going to be pretty similar to what I've already seen. So I'm going to head back down, make sure Erin hasn't been arrested for flying the drone. We tried to Google it, nothing came up. There's no signs. There you go, there's the cinema. It is cool because this is like, I think, the biggest building around. Some old film posters on it.
Inside, there's a show reel inside.
Let's go inside to the cinema. Get your ticket. So we've just been into the cinema. They just had like a show reel of everything that was filmed here. It was actually quite nice to see what was actually filmed here because we haven't seen many old school Korean films, and there's a good chance to see it. This is the game from Squid Game, I think. 3, 2, 1, go. We think that's how you play, we don't know, we've only seen the series, so never actually played the childhood game. Alright, we're leaving now, but just spotted this. The exit's like an old camera. So there's like the lens that you look through, and then here's like it's just the detail in this place. It's so good. Really good. What would you give it?
I would give it an 8 out of 10.
An 8 out of 10. Yeah, I really enjoyed it too. I really liked it. Would I give it an 8 out of 10? Yeah? I'd give you the same. Let's match it.
I think it would be a 10 if I knew more about
Yeah.
like Korean drama, but it's so cool. And it's £1.80,
Yeah.
so you can't really complain.
It's really good. Definitely recommend it. Even if you're not in the area, if you're heading from Seoul to Busan, I would probably... I'd check it out here. Like,
Yeah.
there's some cool bars, and maybe don't stay longer than 2 or 3 days, but yeah.
It's on the Express Railway as well.
Is it?
Yeah. So,
You can stop off.
yeah. Even if you just wanted to do a day, it's well worth it.
Yeah, definitely.
Nice brewery as well.
Drone shot. See ya.